Viewers and subscriber, one thing 2085, the mix up was surround it and the whole part drama. It a do something good for the song, or Rebecca song now reach where if you reach our song is just not a good song. Wagwan when you dep and welcome forward to the channel. Yo, Pretty Dan come out full force today. I defend our queen. You don't know Pretty Dan always give Spice World for ratings. You see it, so you don't know Pretty Dan forward and I speak in mind. You don't know RT did it and RDD what you want name, you see it. You don't know him a beat them bad, you see it. Yeah man, Pretty Dan come out and beat them bad, Beauty Bling and the whole of them stuff. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. And she a beat all Macka bad still. But you don't know we love Macka still, you see me? Yeah man, but we love him.
We not talk about some girl we are no people. We don't want to talk about no girl we are no nothing boy. You understand me? I deal with because some of them a keep quote and they need a quote in for them own life, you know. You see me? So we not talk about some girl with fake quote while I run and say them a judge and can't read and write. We don't want to talk about no girl who we see go for an interview, say them a judge and can't even articulate themselves properly. We not talk about Duns girl, about Grace Hamilton. We talk about the queen of dancehall. We not talk about the people them who swing pan her name. Who swing pan Grace name, left them to me. That's why me tell Grace, me say Grace enough, you want me a girl. Hey, open them out to me queen. I lock back that bumble clad for you could have been. I don't give up as you say Grace Hamilton name because I know my black queen. You don't play with Grace Hamilton. You see with Grace Hamilton, she full of too much blood, that's why. And that's why the phone could have get to use her and talk about her. Grace full of too much love and me tell her that I have to follow you. Me say you see you, the pureness and the love what you have in you, I ain't ever be on fall. Because everybody come around lose Grace. Everybody come around chat the worst thing about Grace. People with blood clot Grace help. Me can't tell you that personally. Mommy know Grace show me help what she help people. I talk Grace not talk about what she do for people. So when you want to see me, I don't allow me. Allow me make me defend her to me. Everybody will come around her. And anybody will go around Grace and see a lot like them I tell. Me can't tell you that straight. Grace Hamilton, one of the nicest blood you can meet in your life, youth. That the girl is full of blood. That the girl is full. Me can't tell you that me put me head on the block for Grace Hamilton. Queen that I'm so when down hear me I beat some of them but time you know love me make me beat them because enough of them did the round are ungrateful. All Macka Spice helping enough of them did in a studio with Grace enough of them no want blood clot talk a whole heap of help Grace help no all in a dance hall where you see never hate a female artist yet and any one of them say them hate Grace naturally them don't like for yourself self-made female a Grace Hamilton that Grace never did that. She walk on her black slippers they rub down like a dog and go DJ over all of them every one of the stage show them where you can think of a street party where I don't know the blood reach in a dance hall when time we have a liquor and that's how we have a problem. Lord me defend Lord me defend all big gas. We are come go like say one bring down Grace. Go to Vegas and go yeah the dirtiest one artist we have boy. Only thing you do is get up and hate girl pitney at daytime. Move your life, you get up and want up on the woman bomber clad name. Go man Vegas. Every you forget cancer. Cause you did one bring back Jamaica. And you did one make man can come out. Go to Vegas come out of the closet. And that you have to do. Every minute you want not tracing with the girl, them Grace will see you. Grace will never see you. Never in your blood. Big black and rust. That's why your career crashing in one that hospital you go make song. Still not bus. Move iron balloon 90s bus blood. Move 90s artists and go. Nobody see you. Move your hurt me for you. I take 2 out of the spliff here before I come back. Every minute it's me to take 2 out of the spliff and I don't take 2 out of the spliff. Somebody call Grace to me so we can give her flowers.
You know, remember for like coming.
We don't call Grace and make flowers because I don't know what about like people but she help for you. All me Grace help for you. Am I queen that? No artists say they rate you, but enough of them now show it like how Grace Hamilton show it. When Grace says she rate you, she rate you. Oh, remember the one spice. Okay. Now we cuss you, we don't feel like say she a dirty somebody. And the nicest and the purest art that you know go. I'm about to go come out, you don't think you don't cuss yet? You don't think you don't cuss yet? Or when it get you not there. Because still me sweat. Beat on until on the okay. What? We go my team. Jesus, you couldn't finish my life goal for me, mighty God. If Gracie did over here, Gracie don't do it for me. If only Gracie did over here. If Gracie did ever the year, that done, the life goal done 10 times. Yeah. Me love me queen. Yes. Spice is very good to me. Spice is very good. What you hiding about? You say you did not go get place in a dance hall, no one in a dance hall for you. See that corner there? Your one go feed. Go sit down in it, turn up in it. If you want to have it, do it. That corner there, your corner. There is nowhere in dance hall for you. I don't know what me want to drink. You confuse my stomach, my belly. You sick it? I don't know if I want to drink lemonade or tea. Let me continue with the tea. Eh? Boy, you tell tease, boy, you want to go in my book. Move! You can't reach in my book, no dear. The only reason why you get talk about is because we see you run out like the That's the only reason you have career for nobody about. Get up off I grow Macka. Macka get up off I people and SETI. Don't Macka we don't even have a lease in my name for it. Don't even, you can't even lease some of the live. Hey girl, oh you will say you're a big dancehall artist and a people you have your sleep on. Macka you have a room for your blood. If TikTok never come in, you would make your 2, 2, 3, 3 send them a day. No! That thing, who don't know about the queen of dancehall? Never two. Oh, never two. Okay. Everybody, we have to finish my live goal. I'm not going to play no match, you know. Let's come for cuss and express my blood. Want to express yourself to me there. I read to know. It is at my love. Because, you know, yeah, man, it is hot, man. Ooh. Tea hot. Thank you. Remember my life goal, I'm going to want to see no wipe on my face. What is it? Because I see them try to drink my queen, you know, blame them. I never like that style. I'm glad you come clear it up, my father. You don't know you're my virgin. Yes, side. Yes, man. We got blame them same time, man. I with the one chap God. 121 crime, you know, man. Hear me what I deal with. I am outside. Hear me forward live. I think me turn off my request because it was bothering me while I was